Is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the checkout text customization new feature inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also check out the description section as well for some really cool resources. And so the first thing that I want to do is just open up the changelog, which I have on my screen, and just review the notes to the changelog. So this is the checkout text customization feature, which is a new feature. And so it says, tailor your checkout experience with expanded text customization. We built this feature to give you more flexibility in personalizing your checkout pages, especially for international audiences. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to create a more inclusive and tailored shopping experience. Super awesome. So key features and benefits: expanded text customization. Users can now customize more areas of the checkout text to better align with their brand voice and messaging. International support, enhanced text customization options, make it easier to adapt your checkout language for global audiences, improving clarity and customer experience. And then improved customer engagement, a more personalized checkout flow helps build trust and enhance the overall shopping experience. This feature empowers you to create a checkout experience that resonates with your audience no matter where they are. So this is going to be a really cool feature. So let's jump into ClickFunnels 2.0. So right here. And this is just a funnel with a checkout element. And let me just click into it to get to the settings. And then let me move myself over to the left-hand side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to this text settings section. So this is where you could change the text and customize the text here. So what's really cool is you could use languages. So I have contact information in Portuguese. So inside of contact information, I want to paste it. So informações de contato right here under contact. And then why don't we click save? And then it already updates here inside of the editor. So informações de contato. On the changelog, they actually had it in Japanese, which I thought was really cool with updating that. And so if we preview this, it updates on the checkout element right here. So this is just a quick walkthrough of how to use the new feature, the checkout text customization, and just changing it to be a language that's not in English. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Love to help you out.